In the world of family law, standing out online isn't just about having a website. It's about crafting a digital presence that speaks volumes. So let's dive in. So first off, your website. This isn't just a digital business card, it's your first handshake with potential clients. Make it count. Ensure it's user friendly, mobile optimized, and filled with real testimonials. Show them that you are a real deal. Next, hit social media like a pro. Share your successes, client stories with permission for share, okay? And legal tips that resonate. Authenticity wins the game here. Content is king. Writing insightful blog posts and articles not only showcases your expertise but also improves your Google ranking. Be the beacon of knowledge they are searching for. Number 4, embrace technology. Offer webinars, online workshops, or free consultations. This approach not only broadens your reach but also builds trust. Remember, trust equals clients. Let's talk about engagement now. Respond to inquiries swiftly. Interact on social media and keep the conversation going. Engagement builds relationships, and relationships build firms. So, standing out online means being more than just a lawyer. It means being approachable, authoritative, and ahead of the curve. Implement the strategies and watch your firm not just stand out but shine online. I hope this video was helpful for you. So, if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I'll gonna reply to those questions as soon as possible. That's pretty much it. Stay happy and keep thriving.